Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lesson, I will show you how we can make a reinforcement for a staircase. First, open a new project and OK. After that, go to the architecture, stair, and change the stair to the monolithic stair, which is cast into stair. And just let me about. It doesn't matter how many steps I want to make it. Let me say like this, and after that I can make a landing. I can sketch it. I'm writing 1000, which is 1 meter. Let's see like this. Cancel, and after that, okay again. Go to 3D view and delete the railing because I just want this one. After that, I want to reinforce this staircase. What can I do for this? If I go to any of views, let's say right view, and after that I go to structure, rebar, you see it's inactive and not active. Why? Because when you want to put staircase, you have to make a section. So I'll go to side view and I will make a section like this, so as to be my reinforcement inside the model or inside the stair, and or every anything like beams, like columns, anything reinforcement, it should be inside the structure. So now what can I do? I can go to view from here, section. I make a section like this, and I want to put my section like in this direction. So I click here, flip selection, or flip section, sorry, and I make it, double click here, it opens the section of the stair. Now what can I do? I can go to structure and rebar. As you see, it shows this because I don't have any loaded family inside my project, so it doesn't matter. I'll say OK and OK. I'll bring a family for this. So I have a family here, yes, metric, and I have structure rebar shape, yes, here. And I'll select all of them, Control A and open. So till all of the bars come into my project, I will wait. As you see, now I have my shapes, but I want to see my bar shapes, so to choose. So as to choose which one of them, so I'll click here. As you see, I can now I can show all my rebar shapes. I can use any one that I want. So for this, for today, I'm using this one. I think it's okay for now. Here is the stretch bar, and I can put it here. As you see, if you look at this green line, what's this? This green line is the cover. Is the cover of the concrete. Okay, it's the cover of the concrete. If I select this one, you see for the rebar cover, I selected 25 millimeters. I can change. For example, let's say maybe 20 is okay, and apply. If you go to 3D, you select this one. Again, you can change the cover here, but I don't want this. So let me go to my section. Where's my section? Yes, it's right there. Now my section is 20 millimeters, the cover, or I can change here. I can change here and select what I want. For example, I want to add another one, let's say 20 millimeters. Add another one, maybe 40 millimeters. If we have beams, as we know, for beams, for columns it's 40 millimeters. Okay, I can use one of them. So I have no problem now. I'm just select the stair, and I will use a cover that I want. As you see the green line changes. So I think it's 20 millimeters is okay. Now I'm sketching my bar here. So what I have to go to rebar, as you said for yes, it's like this. Here I have three things. I can sketch my bar, or I can place it these bars. After I select one of these, I'm going to here the placement. The placement is in the middle, or let me say no, on the work plane. If we make more work plane, I can make a work plane. For example, I can make a reference plane, and I will specify the insertion plane if I want to just one. But for now it doesn't matter, because I want to make after that a fixed number or a fixed distance. So I have in each one in let's say 20 millimeters. But you see, as you see in the pictures here, right with the work plane, and here near the cover, and that's the far of the cover. This one is very important, which is, it tells us parallel to the work plane. If I choose parallel, you see it's like this. But if I select perpendicular to the cover, for example this one, you see the difference. It's longitudinal and short direction and long direction. And if I use that one, it's the same thing. Okay, as you see. So for this, I'm just using parallel to the plane for now, and I'm using this one. Escape 2 times. I can select this one. If I want to bring it right with the cover, I can just use select it and edit sketch. For example, I can just use a row key so as to be with the cover. But for now, here I have to bring it up, and for the top also I can bring it up. But as we know, we have a detail for staircase, which is the bottom bar goes up and the bottom bar goes on top, so it will be like a scissor. So I just complete this like this, and let me finish my bar like this, and let me say 20 is okay. I think it's now my bar is like this. I edit my bar, and from the bottom maybe like this, and this maybe anything. Escape 2 times and click finish. Now I finished this one. What I have here, I have layout, I have single, so I will change it to, I can change it to fixed number, or maximum spacing, or number with spacing, or minimum clear spacing. I just if I choose fixed number, for example, I used 3, it puts only 3 in 1 meter, because I have 1 meter. Let me go to 3D, and from here I cannot see my reinforcement. That's why I have to bring it down or bring it up, transparency or something like this. You see, it's only 3. If you see reinforcement, it's only 3. If I increase, when I increase, it increases. But I don't want to this. I want to just with the maximum spacing, which is I am putting 20 centimeters. 200 means 20 centimeters. So I put my reinforcement, or bottom reinforcement, or it's better bottom reinforcement. Okay, so after that I go to go back again to my section, and I have what I have another section, rebar. Let me say for this type, as you see, when you put a rebar or delete, edit it, it comes here. So if it you can, if you want to use it later, you can use it, no problem. Sorry, let me just go up and select this one again, click here and select it, edit sketch, smooth line, sorry, yes, it's maybe 100, things okay, yes. From here, what I have, I can put a line like right here and make trim and extend. Why it's like this? Because I want to just put with my cover. And what's this distance? It is maybe 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4 with the this distance. This is just a detailing rule. I can make it a little more, maybe like this is okay. And for this area I will put an extra reinforcement, because I have this area, I have no steel here, so I can put it put another steel structure, rebar, which type of steel. If I have a type, or I can just sketch it, no problem. No problem, I'm using this one, and I'll edit it again later. And for this, let's go like this, or maybe less. It doesn't matter, as you want. Edit sketch after that. Here, let's say it goes like this, and something like this also, maybe 8 centimeters is okay. Yes, it's the same thing. I have to use maximum spacing, which is 200 for this one and for this one also. Maximum spacing and 200. Again, from here I have I want to make another steel. I can make a beam here. If I make a beam, maybe better. So I will edit this one, edit sketch. I will just delete this line, and okay. Why I make a beam here? So just for this, for learning, so we can learn how to make a reinforcement for beams also. Yes. yeah, from rebar, and let me just sorry, here I want to just select rebar shape. Yes, you see, just put like this and it select everything and it's okay. Now again, maximum spacing, maybe this, because it's beam, maybe I can use 150. I think it's okay. I can put another still like here. No problem. You can put it. And after that, what I want to go to my this bar and put it here. But now, for now, not in this direction, but it should be perpendicular. So it shows me like this, and I'm selecting this. Go to maximum spacing, and I'm sorry for this. No, it's not, because I use perpendicular for with just used perpendicular to cover. I have to perpendicular to my work plane. I just want to select this. Yes, now not in single, maximum spacing. Yes, you see it's going like this. Maximum spacing, and my spacing maybe in this direction. I can where is it? Yes, here I can make it 250. It's like there. Yes, I can bring it up if I want, and from bottom again bring this up. Now it's like this. Again, what can I do? I can copy this one, from here to here, but you see here we don't have anything, so we doesn't need these. We don't need this. Sorry, we don't need this. So I am just bring it up like this. Yes, here I have. Again, the same procedure for my landing. Here again, I have what I have here. Yes. Again, maximum spacing, maybe spacing 200 is okay. Just bring it this inside a little bit, and I can make a copy from this point to that point. Yes, I think now we are good, but just move it a little bit down just to be it's like this, just to attach it with bottom reinforcement here. I finished this. Yes, it remains here, the same procedure. Maybe this I can make it fixed number, and for the fixed number just I'm using 3. Yes, no problem. I bring it here just to be only 3, and copy. Or I can bring it down right here, no problem. This again, I can move it from this point to that point. Sorry, not copy, moving. Yes, what else? Here I have this bar for the step. How can I make it? Just let me, first of all, let me see it in 3D. I think everything is okay. How can I make this line. If you see, I can use my bar from here bar schedule. I can use it which number I want. For example, let's say number 30. You see, everything is changed to number 30 because I don't have any duplication. If I have many bars, I have to duplicate, or again, sorry, it doesn't need. Let's say this one 25. You see, 25 changed. It doesn't need sorry, doesn't need duplicate. Just you can select any one of them and change it to 30. So now if I select everything and I filtered, I want to just structure rebar, I don't want to do this, apply, OK. I can change it. If I have only one diameter, I can change it from one step. So everything now changed to number 30. For this step, how can I make this step? Again from rebar, but for now, for this type, I'm not using this one. I'm using sketch bar. Just let me put thin lines just to be clear like this. When I want to sketch, I just click the stair, so it gives me this drawing, and now I have the hidden lines like this. Okay, how can I do it? I can make it here. If I draw like this, you see my bar, it will be with the outer side of the concrete, or with the face of the concrete, so I don't want this. How can I fix that? I can select line and give it here an offset, as we said 20 is okay, and I can sketch now. You see, its line is outside. If I want to, if it's outside, I want to bring it inside. For example, if I select this like this, it's outside. So I should press space key, so switch between the sides. Okay, like this and like this. Now again, I can just bring it like this with this bar, and bring it like this maybe, or again this one, bring it like this and make like this. As you know, we cannot make this sharp angle with steel, so I can just make it a fillet a little bit, so it's more reality. You know, it's more reality. Okay, what's my problem? What's the problem? I think I have a problem or not, I don't know. What's wrong? Let me just close this, and again from bar and sketch bar, select the stair, just need 20 millimeters space. Yes, I have no problem. So it's just for delete this one just for test. I have no problem. So I'm using sketch, select stair, and select this one. As we said, 20 of offset by 20. I can use like this space, so we switch inside. this. I think now is okay. For this is okay. So just let me make it maximum spacing, and for maximum spacing is 200 like steel, and I can copy it now and choose copy, and make sure that multiple is selected. Click from here to here to here, 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 again everything. I think everything is okay now. For this also I think it's okay. Maybe you can change it. We learned it doesn't need I change this one again. We learned how to fix that. The only thing is remains here. We have some bars. So from rebar, from placement, and this one is the best thing we have. Again, it's only one. So copy again from here. I'm sorry. Select this one. From copy this point to this. Everything is okay except this one. I can bring it left side a little bit. Can change this one also a little bit. Yes, here my stair and my reinforcement. I think it's okay now. I can change this one from the coarse to fine, so I can see it with its thickness. Now I can move them if I don't like this. If I like, for example, like this, I can move anything I want. Yes, it's like this. I think it's better now. Again, for this, you can move it from this to. I think now it's better. That's all things that we have. We can put on a sheet. Right click here and create new sheet. For we have A0 only. If we want to put on A4, I can load a paper. It's here, title block. A2, which type I want. For example, let's say A4. Open it and open again, and now we have our A4 paper, and click here for the section and bring it and drag and bring inside the block. So what I can change this one. I can rename it. Just click and put press F2 on keyboard, and let me say stair section, and say OK, and go to sheet. You see stair section, scale 1 to 100. It's like this. What can I do for my river schedule? I can bring it, yes, for sure. From here, right click, new schedule quantities, and what I have, what I want to, it's structural river. So I'm using this one, double click. What I want from, and these, let me say I want to bar diameter, bar length. This bend diameter, bar diameter, bar length, and count, but again I want to put my dimensions. This F and E, this is the dimensions. I'll show you again later. Image, if mark, maybe if we mark it, and quantity, and schedule mark, shape image. Let me put some extra total bar length. We can put it still attachment. You can put anything we want. If anything we don't want, we can delete it later. Okay, so now we have count everything is 1, and from here in shape image everything is none, anything is none. I can delete it. Delete column, delete column. This I don't have any mark for them. Why I don't have any mark? Because I don't put or let me leave this schedule mark. I can delete it, and for mark I will leave it as it is, and I don't want this. I think now go to Stair. For this one, if I use it, and for mark, let me say this is T1, for example. This is T1, and this is where is it? Yes. This is T2, T1, T2, and this T3. Anything, it's just a symbol I'm using. Sorry, what I did, I put T1. It tells me that element have duplicate mark values. So I have another bar which named T1. So it didn't give me this name. Okay, so I'm telling this cancel. I make it T3. So if I forget any bar, I can it tells me, the program tells me by itself. T4, apply, and here I have some problem with this. I can bring it up, or just let me edit sketch and bring it up here. Yes, I have some because I named this one before. You see, when I'm changing, it changes. Let me this one say T4, and now we're T5, and this T4. Sorry, T6, T7 again. Let me name this one T7. And this maybe T8. I think I named everything now, or maybe just this one. T9. Apply. I think now it's everything. So when I go to back my schedule, now I have to these T. Then I have some bars they don't have any name. Which one? Let me click it, and what's this one? Let me just close other windows. Just here. I'm sorry. So I don't want to save project now. What I did? Yes, here. I want to close this. It's if I select this one, for example this one, I don't have any name, I want to know which one is this, click here, highlight in the model. This I don't have any name for it, so I will name it. I think you see quantity, it gives me here, from here quantity is 3 because it's fixed number. G10 maybe, apply, and for this one again highlight in the model. Which one close option is that? I think here, T10, T11, apply, and anything else. So I have this one again. If I'm choosing my rebar, you see now I fixed this. You can fix the rest. And what I want to now, I can change my graphic display to something here. Yes, okay, and I can change it to wireframe or hidden line. Which one is? I think it's, if I want to see my reinforcement, and change to wireframe. Also I can change, no problem. Let's say realistic, because I want to bring section to the drawing. Yeah, again double click on the drawing. What I have here, I have this steel, and I want to bring my schedule here. Again I can, I think it's too large. It's too large. I can put it, or I can go to schedule. First of all, let's say stair reinforcement quantities. It's the first one. And for count, I have count, everything is 1, so I delete this one. I have quantity here, bar diameter and bar length. Let's say and yes, bar shape. Here I don't have nothing. I have this one, but just let me make it smaller. Again, this one I don't need it because the pictures is absence. The pictures are absent here. Now I think it's okay. And go to my sheet. Now it became smaller, and I can put the steel that I want. You can make it clockwise if I want to rotate it, but I don't want to rotate this one. I can edit schedule right here, no problem. If I, from sorting groups, itemize every instance, or I can make, okay, you see every instance, every bar. When I'm using this one, itemizing, it gives me one by one bar. Or I can make like this. I can change from here. You see from fields, I can change it. I can bring up, mark the first one. So now it's mark bar diameter, bar length, quantity, and total length. Or I can make it like this, maybe much better. And that's for today's lesson. Yes, mark bam bar diameter, quantity bar length. You can make a little bit wider these cells so as to be not like this, and everything is one single line. So that's for today's lesson. Hope you guys enjoyed, and before I finish this tutorial, I want to ask you to subscribe my channel and share this video, and let me know your suggestion for the next videos, what you want to learn more. Thank you very much.